In this video, we're going to show you how to create a matrix report. So in the Reports module menu, select Create Report to start the Reports wizard and select Matrix Report. Then in our case, we're going to select the module as Opportunities, and we're going to filter by the expected close date of this year. So we're going to search by expected close date, select it, and then change the condition to this year, and then make it runtime, and then click Next. Then we're going to group 3 fields: the expected close date month, the opportunity type, and the assigned to username. And then we're going to click Next. And we want to know the sum of the likely amount for each of those criteria. And then we're going to click Next again and select the type of chart that we want. So we are going to do a horizontal bar stacked on the sum of the likely amount. We're going to name our report Opportunities by Type by Expected Closed Month. We're going to leave it at Jim as the assigned to and global as the team. We're going to change the layout option to 2x1, and we want to see the opportunities even if they don't have assigned to user. And then when we click Save and Run, we can see the report based on our filter of this year as expected close date, along with the grid, the 2x1 grid at the bottom, with the grand total, and the grand total rounded to the nearest 100,000 in the chart. We're going to mark this report as our favorite, and that's how you create a matrix report.